The World Council Organization, created in the 1952 in the Custom Corporation Council, is an independent intergovernmental body whose mission is to improve the efficient and effective customs administration. Currently, a representative 182 council administration around the world that together process approximately 98% of the world trade. As the global center of the expertise in the customs, the World Customs Organization is the only international organization with competence in customs matter and with good reason can call the voice of the international customs communicate. The governmental body is of the World Customs Organization. The Council relies on the powers of the Secretary and various technical and advisory committees to fulfill this mission. The Secretary is the compromise of the more than 100 international staff, technical expert and the administrative staff of the different nationalities. Finally, in the international context, charities be instability and the ever-presentation terrorist threat. The mission of the World Customs Organization means the strengthening of the protection of the society and the national territory, ensuring and facilitating international trade arcade for meaning. Strategy toward the Customer Organization. 1. Promoted the security and facilitation of the international trade including the simplification and the harm-zone of the consular procedure, set of measures of the economic competence. 2. Promote efficient and effective remote collection, set of measures of the renew collection. 3. Protection society. Public health and security, set a measure of the enforcement and the fix against fraud. 4. Consulate capacity building, set of measure and the strategic development. 5, 6. And the perform and notary of the concepts is 7. Carry out research of analytics. 182 members to the World Customs Organization. 3/4 of the correspondent developed countries together process more than 98% the world trade. They are divided on the 6 regions: South America, North America, Central America, and Caribbean. Europe, Eastern and the South Africa, Western and the Central Africa, North Africa, and Near and Middle East. For years, the World Customs Organization has made considerable progress in the harmonization of the international customs producers. Their efforts have that considerations such as the World Customs Organization have developed and introduced the harmonized system for designation and the codification of goods, which is used throughout the world and base a system for the qualification of goods and the collection of the customs duties.